guys, we're up in Woodford Hollow. We're gonna pull over and do some roadside ecology. There's a lot of cool stuff growing over just beyond where you would normally look if you drive by every day. So once we're over there safely, we'll give you a holler. Got some fiddleheads here. Of course, these are called lady ferns. With all the little velvety fur going up here. These aren't the ones you want to eat. You'll get intestinal issues, lots of cramping, diarrhea. Not something you want to risk or experience. A coworker of mine found out the hard way. Got some more fiddleheads here. These little fur covering peels right off. A little bit of a swamp gotta go across. Gross. Hobble bush. Beautiful flowers. Can be pollinated and turned into berries. Come back for those in the fall. Got some false hellebore over here. Vibrant green, grows in clusters all along little streams. Usually some of the first ones that pop up during springtime. Further down the way is some fields of them, but these ones are a little easier to access, and just wanted to show you. Got some Green Mountain blue quartz here. Little tiny crystals on it. Yeah, look at that. It's hidden under all this moss. It's actually a nice little piece. Probably bring that home and put it in the rock garden. A little while ago I mentioned false hellebore, and how they grow in fields. I went further down to show you. Exactly. They just grow in large quantities right along these stream sides. Down these little hollows when all the snow melts and all the water collects, nice moist areas. Check out these beautiful red ferns. I believe these ones are called royal ferns. Everywhere over here. Beautiful. Most of these ones opened up already. I was walking along and I saw this. I had to stop. Beautiful wild strawberry plant. A couple of the little ones right by it. It's not ready yet though. That bad boy is. Well, ready to be pollinated, that is. Leeks right on the side of the road. We plucked them. I only took like 2 or 3 out of like 10 or so. But usually where there's those, there's more. So we're gonna take a peek around, see what we can find. And hopefully have some for a snack or maybe even dinner. Hey, see over here. Just a little baby one. So we're gonna leave this guy here. You only want to harvest from large families of them, because they take a while to propagate and spread. But, oh, wait, I think I see one right over here. Beautiful red trillium. These ones are cool. They're growing right off a little ledge in the rocks here. Just little tiny guys. We're not gonna harvest those either, but we're having luck finding some, so let's just keep looking, right? More leeks. You can smell it, literally. And these here is either bloodroot or marshmallow. I think this is actually bloodroot. If you break it, it has a red, yeah, okay. This is bloodroot. So when you break it, this orange-red juice comes out. Got some beautiful Dutchman's breeches right here. Beautiful little spring flower. Let me show you. They look like little pants. There we go. Whole family of them here. There's a family there. Family there. There. Right here. So let's take some home. Look at the size of these guys. Huge. Alright. Oh, we'll get harvesting. There's one. If you look closely, you can see the bulbs grow in clusters, like little families. Another. I don't think we're going to take all these ones either. A couple of the larger ones. All right. Oh. We'll take this leaf too. So good. It's a very crisp, fresh onion with a hint of garlic. A lot of times when I'm hiking, these are some of my favorite snacks to eat. When I find a field of them, just grab a handful. Grab them. If you don't feel like digging around in the dirt too much, just leave the bulbs behind and take the leaves, because honestly the leaves are just as good as the bulbs. It does less damage. Alright, well, got a nice little cluster of leeks. Harvest for the day. I'm gonna head back up to the car, go home, clean them up, have a little snack. And if you guys like what you see, you want to learn more or go on more adventures with me, like and subscribe. You can even comment some ideas, places you like to see or learn about. Yeah, again, thanks for all your support, and catch you later.